all, this is Jeanette Caines from Jewelry Art Inc. In this video, I'm going to explain to you your little understood nemesis in getting things lined up straight, your flux, and I'll show you how to do it better.
Okay, so I just want to show you, like, basically we're at the next stage now. So we drew the crosshairs. I lined up the shank. We look from the top, we look from the side, we look at it 35 times, we move it back until we're like, yes, I love it. This is where I want it to be. Now, one thing I want to point out is you'll notice that I haven't put any flux on there yet. Now that it's in the right spot, now I'm going to put the flux on, because when you flux stuff, right, and it gets all, crunchy and whatever, and then you're trying to position things, you can't see shit. So normally I don't do any of that until I have everything in place, and then I can just add my flux. So just keep that in mind, that like if you're having trouble with positioning, just wait on your flux until everything's the way you want it. It can definitely help.